Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to snooze notifications for each app in your Samsung Galaxy Fold. To do so, open the Quick Settings panel. Swipe the desired notification slightly to the left or right, but be careful, because if you swipe too fast or too far, you might close the notification by mistake. Tap on Snooze icon. It looks like a bell. Here you're provided with different options. Choose the desired interval of time after which you would like to get the notification from this app, and then tap on Save. So this is how you can snooze notifications for each app in your Samsung Galaxy Fold. Hope this video was a great help. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone. With this video, we will demonstrate how to reorder camera modes in Samsung Galaxy Fold. Let's learn how to do so. To begin, on the home screen, tap on Camera icon. Tap on Camera Settings. Tap on Camera Modes. Tap on Edit Modes. Now add or remove the mode that you want by tapping on it. Please note, photo and video mode cannot be removed. Now to customize the position of camera modes, tap and hold the bar provided with the mode. Drag the bar provided with the mode upwards or downwards, as desired. To check, let's move back. And the customization made by us is successfully applied. The selected modes have been removed and positioned as desired. So this is how you can reorder camera modes in Samsung Galaxy Fold. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.